making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Hey guys, Kalila here. Welcome to Vlogmas number 9, right? Yeah, Vlogmas number 9, day 9 of everyday vlogs. This is crazy. This is great. It feels great. Today, I will be working on a new project. As you guys have seen in the beginning clips, I started something new. Well, first of all, I put some nails on. Okay, I showed the process. That's how I usually put my nails on. Whenever you guys see me with claws, that's how I get them. But I casted on a new project. It is a beanie. Oh my gosh, it's going to look so pretty. This is the yarn I'm using. Hold on, okay. This is the yarn I'm using. It is hand-dyed yarn from Red Door Fiber Studios, and I did do my nails like this so that I could match the hat. Oh, isn't that so cute? But what is this called, Kayla?
It's not a phase.
It's not a phase. That is what this colorway is called. I think it was like a one-of-a-kind type of yarn. But I am making a hat, a beanie. It is 2x2 ribbed the entire time. Except instead of knit 2, purl 2, it's purl 2, knit 2. But you can still see the 2x2 effect happening here. You won't see much texture in this hat because it's the yarn is so variegated, but that's fine because the next hat I make, oh my gosh, you'll be able to see everything. But I'm using 3.5mm needles. The pattern calls for 3.25. I don't have 3.25 and I think 3.5 is fine. Oh, and this is also a DK weight yarn and 100% superwash merino wool. But that is the project I'll be working on all day today. I was gonna work on my sock, but I really wanted to start this hat because it's something different and it's not just like a plain stockinette hat, and I'm just excited to get my brain flowing again with new techniques. And it's so nice to just work with small needles again because I'm not a big fan of chunky needles, and I didn't realize 7mm made me feel like it was chunky until I went back down to tiny needles. I'm like, dang, 7s really are kind of chunky. So I'm happy I'm working with that. I'm happy I'm done with the sweater. Oh, I'm supposed to be wearing this sweater. You know what's crazy? Kahila reminded me and I still forgot. It was like an hour ago or so, but let me put the sweater on, okay? Here is the sweater. I can't wait to block it so that this part can like relax, you know, but it fits nicely. I forgot my face was in there. It fits nicely. I took out the elastic band. Dude, I was going to self-asphyxiate myself, okay? Because that thing was so tight. The elastic band was choking me. And so I totally ripped the collar apart, threw the elastic band away, and then sewed it correctly. Because I realized when I was sewing it, before I was skipping the purl stitches. So I would just sew down the knit stitches and then there'll be like a bar across the purl stitches and like you could stick your fingers through it. So I needed to sew through every single row. No, it's just very nice. And I love it so much. It's literally the perfect length. This is my waistline right here. It comes a little bit lower than that. The sleeves are very nice. When I block it, I will just stretch it just a little bit. I mean, it's nice. I just want it to come up just a little further like that. And same with this. I just want it to hit my wrist exactly. But other than that, it turned out exactly how I wanted it. Oh, I can block it today. I will block it today, so I'll show you guys that as well. You guys always see me blocking myself. I love blocking myself. So I will block the sweater today as well. And continue to knit on my beanie. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see how it turns out. Oh, the pattern I'm using is Pearl Soho Watch Cap. That's what it's called. It's a free pattern, so if you look that up, you'll find it. It's very nice. The top of the brim looks so good. I found it because I was watching Inga Knitting Traditions, and she made that hat, and I was like, whoa, I like that. So now I'm making it. So we'll see how it turns out, and we'll see how long it takes me. But I'm not in a rush to finish it, so it can take as long as it wants.
Cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland.
Okay, yesterday on Instagram, I asked you guys if you had to crochet / knit one thing for the rest of your life, like literally had to, what would it be? And you guys gave me a lot of answers. I will be sharing all of them. I'll place them on the screen as well. I won't read like every single one, but I'll read ones that are like unique because a lot of people said similar things, which not surprised. I'm not surprised at that. So the main thing The main answer was sweaters. Sweaters, 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 sweaters. Like, so many people like sweaters, which makes sense because if I'm going to crochet or knit something for the rest of my life, it needs to be like one thing for the rest of my life. It needs to be something that I'm going to wear and show off because that's going to be the only thing I'm always making. So mine would for sure be sweaters as well. I love sweaters. I'm obsessed with sweaters. I would knit sweaters forever. Like, socks and beanies are good contenders, but I think sweaters would be something that would make me more happy doing for the rest of my life. So sweaters, that's my answer as well. Oh, let me show you. This is the hat that I will be making. This is what it looks like. It's a ribbed beanie. Hope you can see that. And that's what the top is going to look like. Now, like I said, I don't know if I said this to you guys. I think I said it on my stream. But anyway, with this yarn that I'm using, it's so variegated and like it has a lot going on. So you probably will not be able to see a lot of the texture. But when I make my next beanie, it's going to be a plain color and you'll be able to see all the texture. It's gonna be so beautiful. But yes, I'm so excited working on this. Let me show you my progress. It's not a lot, but yeah, it's not a lot because I feel like I haven't really been working on it as diligently, probably because I wanted to give my arms a break for real, but I still want to knit. I don't know if you guys have this dilemma where you know your arms are tired and need a break, but you just want to continue your craft. Like, I just want to keep knitting. Like, when I watch stuff, I feel so empty if I'm not moving my hands. So I've just been knitting lightly and everything and just taking long breaks when I need them, just so that I can give my arm some rest. Because this arm, my left arm in particular, was the one that was super sore, and my knuckles right here were very sore, and like as if I worked out. So I just needed to give it a little break. It feels fine now because I've been taking it slow today. So, oh, let me show you my progress. I'm just rambling. Not a lot of progress, but this is what it's looking like so far. As you can see, look at my nails matching it. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, sorry, I'm obsessed. But this is what it's looking like if it will focus. Please focus. There we go. Look at this. You can see the rib right here is 2x2 rib. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. But yeah, this just looks so good already. I am in love. It's so, I like 2x2 rib better than 1x1. Yeah, I like this more. Oh my gosh, let me actually do my advent right now. Might as well. I'm going to grab that right now. Alrighty, here is day number 9. So yesterday's color was a mixture between pink and blue. So the blue did not disappear as quickly as I thought it would, and there was more pink like I predicted. So today I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the blue is just fading slowly. So maybe there'll be a little hint of blue. The white is disappearing as well. There's more pink. So I feel like this will just be more pink in general. Let us see how it will be, okay? What? What? Okay, I'm sorry. Look at this. Look at that. What the heck? This is a mixture of like pink and lavender. Like, there's still blue speckles, but that blue is like totally gone, totally disappearing. The white is gone. There's just a mixture between pink and a lavenderish color. What? Okay, please focus. I was not expecting this at all. Like, I saw that the blue and the pink were mixing together in a way where it made it look like it was not as pink, but I didn't know it was gonna turn into like a light purple. Okay, let me show the fade. Okay, this is today's color. Like, it is a lot pinker than yesterday, of course, but I did not expect all these purples to be in there, but maybe it's gonna fade into like a light purple, maybe darker purple. Because over here, it is a little purple, but it's more brownish than like deep purplish. Like these are for sure purple, but we're getting into like a lighter pinkish tone. And I feel like it'll probably fade into like a darker pink and then transition into another color. But this is the fade so far. So I'm excited to see what's next tomorrow. I can't even predict tomorrow, bro. Maybe it's just gonna be a darker pink. That's all I can give because the white totally disappeared. It's just pink with some purples in it. And I think it'll just be a darker version of this tomorrow. So that's it. That is all I have for this video today. I'm going to spend the rest of the night working on my beanie. Oh, you can really see the rib texture when it's far away. That's cute. Yeah, I'm gonna continue working on this. I am loving working on this. I'm so obsessed with tiny needles, okay? Obsessed. And I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like at the end because this is gonna be my first time making some sort of intricate decrease design on a hat. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you are new. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye. Why did my voice just go out like that?